In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a worksheet in Microsoft Excel. Whether you're building a budget, tracking projects, or separating reports, knowing a few quick ways to add a blank sheet will save you time and keep your work organized. First, open Microsoft Excel and load the workbook you want to work in. You can start with a new blank workbook or open an existing file. Along the bottom edge of the window, you'll see the sheet tabs, usually labeled Sheet 1, Sheet 2, and so on. This is where we'll add our new worksheet. The simplest method is to click the plus icon next to the sheet tabs at the bottom. One click instantly creates a new blank worksheet, and you'll see a new tab appear alongside the others. If you need more than one, keep clicking to add as many as you like. This is perfect for quick visual control when you're already working with your tabs. If you prefer the keyboard, there's a fast shortcut. Press Shift plus F11. Excel immediately inserts a new sheet to the left of the sheet you currently have active. This is great when you care about placement. Just activate the tab you want the new sheet to appear before, then press the shortcut and you're done. It's a small time saver that adds up when you're building multi-sheet workbooks. You can also add a sheet from the ribbon. Go to the Home tab, look for the Cells group, click Insert, and choose Insert Sheet. This method is reliable if you like using the ribbon or if your function keys are assigned to other features. You'll get a fresh blank worksheet added to your workbook with a single click. Finally, there's the right-click method. Right-click any existing sheet tab at the bottom, choose Insert, select Worksheet in the dialog, and click OK. This is handy when your mouse is already on the tab bar and you want a clear, guided option to add just a standard worksheet. A few quick tips as you work. If you don't see your sheet tabs, try widening the horizontal scroll area at the bottom or checking Excel's options to ensure sheet tabs are displayed. And after inserting the sheets you need, remember to save your workbook so your changes stick. That's it. Multiple easy ways to insert a worksheet in Microsoft Excel. Pick the one that fits your workflow and you'll be moving faster in no time.